With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, in this question they are giving two statements and we have to tell that which statement is true and which statement is not true. So statement 1 is state that the total translational kinetic energy of all the molecules of a given mass of an ideal gas 1.5 times of product of 1.5 times of product of its pressure and its volume, because, and the second statement is also given that the molecules of a gas collide with each other and the velocities of the molecules change due to the collision. And we have to also tell that my first statement is the correct, my second statement is the correct explanation for statement 1 or not. So let's check the statement 1. In statement 1 they are saying that my kinetic energy is 1.5 times of product of P and B. Now the kinetic energy, translational kinetic energy according to the kinetic theory of gases is given by the formula 3/2 nRT, where n is the number of mole, r is gas constant, and T is temperature. Now from ideal gas equation I know that PV equals to nRT. Now I can put PV instead of nRT. In the place of nRT I can also put PV. So my kinetic energy now equals to 3/2 PV, and I can write 3/2 as 1.5 also. So it is 1.5 PV. That means my kinetic energy is 1.5 times of product of pressure and volume. This means my first statement is true. Now check the second statement. In the second statement, I know that if I have a container of gas, then the molecules of gas are doing random motion. They are moving in any direction and they are doing random motion. When they are doing random motion, that means they collide to each other at some time. My molecules of gas are doing random motion, and because of random motion they are collide to each other. So the collide is happen, and this collision is the elastic collision. Elastic collision means momentum is conserved. And when they collide, because of collision their direction is change. Because of collision their direction change, and when the direction change, that means velocity of molecules also change. Okay, molecules change, and that's what my statement second is state, that the molecules of gas collide with each other, correct, and the velocities of the molecules change due to collision, correct. That means my statement second is also correct, my statement 1 is also correct, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation for the statement 1. So my second option, this, which is said that statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, but statement 2 is not a correct explanation for the statement 1. This is my right answer. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.